Hello and welcome to the Simplified series. In this series, I focus on clarity. Each episode explains how a core system functions, how dysregulation develops, and what supports stability over time. In this episode, we focus on the nutrients that support the nervous system. The nervous system responds to chemical input. Every signal it processes is shaped by nutrient availability, metabolic stability, and inflammatory load. Nervous system stability does not depend on stimulation. It depends on sufficiency. And there are certain nutrients that support things like inhibitory balance, mitochondrial energy production, and signal clarity. When these nutrients are lacking, the nervous system becomes more reactive. Stress tolerance decreases, and recovery tends to slow down. However, this response is adaptive, meaning it can change given the right inputs. The system adjusts to the resources that it has. One category in particular that matters are amino acids. Glycine and taurine in particular support inhibitory signaling and reduce excessive neural excitation. Calms the brain down, the mind down. They help quiet background stress activity and support settling down, especially during recovery and sleep. Another category is minerals. Magnesium, in particular, supports nerve conduction and neuromuscular signaling. Zinc influences synaptic balance and immune-brain communication. These minerals help regulate how strongly the nervous system responds to input. Choline also plays a distinct role. Choline supports acetylcholine production. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter that's primarily involved in attention, digestion, and parasympathetic signaling, downregulation, rest, digest. Adequate choline supports gut-brain communication and nervous system flexibility. Fatty acids also shape nervous system function. Omega-3 fats in particular influence membrane fluidity and inflammatory signaling. When availability is low, neural signaling becomes less efficient and more reactive. Micronutrients involved in energy metabolism also matter. B vitamins, manganese, sulfur-containing compounds all support mitochondrial function. When cellular energy production is constrained, the nervous system interprets stress more readily. These nutrients do not force calm. They support the conditions required for stability. They're the fuel. And so this is why nervous system health cannot be separated from nutrition. Food functions as information. It shapes the chemical environment the nervous system operates within. When nutrition supports stability, stress responses soften, recovery improves, and baseline resilience increases. When nutrition drives inflammation or instability, the nervous system adapts accordingly. If you support the inputs, the system will respond.